Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson. Lesson number 7, Stepwise Thinking. This lesson is small but interesting. Hope you will like it. Before moving on to the topic, let me ask you one thing. Suppose if I had informed you about the test paper on next Monday, what you will do? First of all, you will check which is the date and time. Then you will check what are the portions to be completed. Then you will prepare a timetable and study it before the time. And on that day, at the particular time, you will write the test paper. Right? So, you will plan the things one by one. First of all, you will think what you have to do. Then you will know that you have to study before the time. Then you will prepare it like that. So, first of all, you think what you should do. Then you will apply it one by one. So, this step-wise thinking helps you to do things easily, quickly, and in an organized manner. I will tell you another example. Suppose next week Monday is your friend's birthday. You have to send a birthday card to her. What you will do? First of all, you will tell your parents that your friend's birthday is on next Monday. You have to send a birthday card. So they will help you to buy a birthday card. Then after getting that birthday card, you will write the birthday wishes in that and you will put it in an envelope, seal it. Then you have to stick stamp on that envelope and you will give it to your parents for posting. Parents will drop that card in the letter box. So, first of all, you will think all these in your mind. What all you should do, that you will think in your mind, right? Then only you will apply it. So, first of all, if you have to send the birthday card to your friend, first of all, you will think what all things you have to do. First of all, you have to tell your parents. So, you will think all those things in your mind. And that thinking helps you to do things easily, quickly, and in an organized manner. Right? So, stepwise thinking helps to perform an activity quickly, easily, and in an organized manner. Stepwise thinking helps you to perform an activity quickly, easily, and in an organized manner. Hope you got that point. But in the case of computer, does a computer has an ability to think on its own? No. Computer has no ability to think on its own and take decisions. So, in the case of computer, we have to give step-wise instructions to perform an activity. It cannot think on its own. So, it cannot do this step-wise thinking. Whatever instructions we give, the computer obey that instructions and do the activity. So, we have to give step-wise instructions to the computer because computer cannot think and take decisions on its own. In lesson 6, did you remember what you have done to open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010? You have given the instructions to computer step by step. First of all, you click the start button, then you clicked all programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So you have given step-wise instructions to computer to open this PowerPoint application. So like that you have to give step-wise instructions to computer as computers cannot think and make decisions. But in the case of human beings, we have the ability to think and take decisions. So first of all, we will think what are things we have to do. Then you will apply it. So in the case of human beings, step-wise thinking. But in the case of computer, we will give step-wise instructions. The stepwise thinking helps to perform an activity quickly, easily, and in an organized manner. We will give step-wise instructions to computer so that it can perform that activity. Another example in your textbook. Suppose you have to open WordPad. What all step-wise instructions you will give to computer? First of all, you will click the start button. Then you will select all programs. Then you will click on accessories. Then you will select WordPad. So while doing all these things, you are giving step-wise instructions to computer. Hope you have understood the concept. In page number 73 of your textbook, you can see an activity. Two activities are given. First activity is follow the given steps to draw a bird and color it. If you have to draw a bird's picture, first of all, what you will do? First step, you will draw a circle, then two little circles for demonstrating the eyes. Like that, step by step, you will draw the bird's picture, right? You cannot draw a bird's picture at once, by one step. You will do it step by step, right? So, you can draw the bird's picture yourself and color it. Okay, now second activity. Parul is celebrating her birthday. Number the pictures in correct order as the events took place. There can be more than one correct order. Okay, Parul is celebrating her birthday. So what all things will be happen there? They have given the pictures. You have to number it in the order of that events. So look at those pictures. First of all, they will list out what all things they have to be done, right? And what all things they have to buy, what all things they have to do. They will list out. So first thing is that you can number one in the picture of that paper and pencil, right? I will give you through WhatsApp, but now I'm explaining it. You have to put number one in that paper and pencil image. Now, next what will happen? Next, they will make decorations in the room, right? So, the second one is blowing the balloons picture, right? That you can write number two there. Now, the third step, Mummy will bring you the birthday cake. That picture is the third one. Now, fourth one. They will decorate it with candle. That is the fourth image. Now, fifth image is they will cut the cake. That is the fifth image. Now, sixth one, he will share the cake to all his friends. Now, seventh picture is that his friends will give him presents, birthday presents. That is the seventh picture. So, if you have given some pictures, you have to put number to it. Okay. So, that is the activity. Next topic is logical thinking. Logical thinking is required to solve a problem. Logical thinking means if you have to solve a problem, you will think it and you will find a logical solution to that. Right? That is meant by logical thinking. Logical thinking helps you to solve a problem. It involves 3 steps. To solve a problem, you have to perform 3 steps. First of all, you have to identify the goal. Goal means the aim of doing that problem. Identification of goal. What is the purpose of doing that problem? Or what is the aim of that problem? What is the question? That's a thing. Goal means what is the question of that problem? That you have to think first of all. Now, second step is that understanding the given information, conditions and rules. When you get a problem in maths, first of all you will look what all information they have given. Right? Suppose a problem like this. Babu got 5 apples. Nina take 2 apples from him. So, you will look at the information that are given in that question. The informations are 5 apples Babu had and Nina took 2 apples from him. That is the information given in that question. That you will think. Then, conditions and rules. Then, in that question, you have to find the remaining apple. Okay. So, the condition is that, conditions and rules is that you have to find the remaining apple in Babu's hand. That is a condition. In some questions, certain conditions are given. You have to apply it. Okay. Now, third one, work out the solution in a step-by-step manner. You have to work out the solution in step-by-step manner. What is a step-by-step manner here? You have to subtract 2 from 5. Because Nina took 2 apples from Babu. Babu had 5 apples. Nina took 2 apples from him. So, you have to subtract 5 minus 2. That is 3. Like that, you can find the answer to that problem. So, these are the steps involved in logical thinking. First step is identification of goal. Second step is understanding the given information, conditions and rules. Third step is that work out the solution in a step-by-step manner. They have given a problem in your textbook. They have given a pattern here. 3 shapes they have given. You have to find the 4th one. What will be the 4th shape? That you have to find out. This is a pattern they have given. You have to find out the 4th one. 4th one is missing. You have to find out that. That is a problem here. So, first of all, what are the 3 steps involved in logical thinking? First step is identification of goal. So, you have to determine the goal here. The goal is that you have to find the 4th one. That is the goal. Now, second step, understanding the given information, conditions and rules. So, you have to check what all informations they have given in that problem. Or what all conditions and rules are there. So, the given information is that these 3 they are certain shapes. And by looking in that, you can note a thing that in the first figure, how many sides are there in that first figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides are there in that first figure. What about second figure? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there for the second figure. So, in first figure, 6 sides. Second figure, 5 sides. What about third figure? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. So, these are the information given. That is not given. You have to look and you have to find out the information given in that question. So, the first figure 6 sides, second figure 5 sides, third figure 4 sides. So, the sides are decreasing. So, in the fourth figure, it should be 3 sides. That you can understand in this problem. Now, what are the conditions and rules? Conditions and rules, it is obvious. What is that? The sides are decreasing. So, in the fourth side, you have to decrease 1 from the third side. That is 4 sides was the third figures. So, in the fourth figure, it should be 3 sides. That is the conditions and rules. Now, third step is that work out the solution in a step-by-step manner. So, you have find out all the informations given, what are the conditions and rules. Now, you know What should be the third figure? Third figure should contain only three sides. So what will be that shape? Three-side shape. It will be a triangle. This will be the fourth figure. So this is an example for logical thinking. Hope you understood. Next topic is case studies. Case studies means they will give you a case, a situation, and you have to solve it step by step. That means first case is that getting ready for school. To get ready for school, what all things you will do step by step. First of all, you have to wake up in the morning. Then you will brush your teeth, have a bath, put your uniform, have your breakfast. Like that, step by step, you will do the thing. So they will give you a case and you have to solve it step by step. So let's see. The first case is that getting ready for school. You can look in page number 74 and 75. This case studies is given. You can refer that. Case 1, getting ready for the school. Step 1, first step is that get up from bed. You have to wake up in the morning. Second step, brush your teeth. After waking up, you have to brush your teeth. Third step, have a bath. Fourth step, wear your school uniform. Fifth step, have breakfast. Sixth step, prepare school bag and leave home for school. You have to prepare your bag. According to the timetable, you have to put your textbook and notebooks in your bag and you have to leave from home. Go to bus stop and wait till the school bus arrives. Eighth step, get into the bus and reach the school. Ninth step, enter the school. So, if you have given a case, you have to solve it step by step. Now you can see the second case. Second case is that making a cup of tea. To make a cup of tea, what all things you have to do step by step. First step is that take a pan and pour half cup of water in it. Then put the pan on the stove and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon tea leaves. Now add half cup of milk and give a stir. Finally, after boiling for 1 minute, strain the tea in a cup. These are the step-by-step activities you have to do to make a cup of tea. First of all, you should pour a half cup of water in it. You have to put it in the fire. Then you have to add some sugar, add some tea leaves. You have to add half cup of milk to that. You have to give a stir. You have to strain that tea in a cup. Okay, now third case, starting a computer. This one you have studied, right? To start a computer, what are things you have to do? First of all, you have to switch on the main power supply. Then, you have to switch on the power button of UPS. Then, you have to switch on the power button of CPU. Then, switch on the power button on the monitor and wait until a screen appears. So, these are the step-by-step activity you have to do to on a computer. Hope you have understood this lesson. So, what are the important points we have studied today? First one is step-wise thinking. Step-wise thinking helps to perform any activity quickly, easily and in an organized manner. Second point, a computer can only work on the step-wise instructions given by us. Now, third one, logical thinking is required to solve a problem. These 3 points are the important points in this lesson. You have to understand it well and you have to study it. What are things? Step-wise thinking. Step-wise thinking helps to perform any activity quickly, easily and in an organized manner. Second one, computer cannot think on its own. So we have to give step-wise instructions to it. Now, third one is that logical thinking. Logical thinking helps you to solve a problem. Hope you have understood this lesson. Study well. I will give you the exercise answers through WhatsApp. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can send message to me. So thank you. Have a nice day.